Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all the new scoop and free assembly, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First thing are these new sweaters from free assembly. They have that rounded neckline, gold buttons, has that side seam detailing, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back, and they're $24. Also new from free assembly are these tweed like blazers. It has that fringe neckline, the gold buttons, two flat pockets up above and down below. It's lined through the inside, has that relaxed wrist, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the black, also in that navy plaid. We saw dresses that match back to that, and these are $38. Also new crew neck sweaters from free assembly. So these have that ribbed neckline, the side seam detail, oversized ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back. This is the extra large, there's the small in the navy, also in the ivory, and they're $26. So from free assembly, they have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, pearls to the whole front. It's a fit and flare midi length, and the pearls do continue all the way around in the skirt, and they are going to be $32. Also new eyelet button down from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, full button, the two flat pockets, sheer through the body, and it does have the built-in cami. That's what that material looks like. The button on the wrist, really good length, is the large. In the navy, also comes in, oh, it's just a navy, and these are $26. And then in that same material, also from Scoop, this one has that higher neckline, has the ruching through the sleeve, really nice length with the scallop trim. This one also has the built-in cami with the little buttons in the back and the keyhole detailing, and these are $24. New slip dress from free assembly. So it has the thicker strap, that plunging V neckline, sleeveless, kind of flows out. In this new green, there's red and blue plaid. Also comes in the solid black, and they're $28. New rhinestone pieces from Scoop. So these look like they are a wide leg, let's see, low slung relaxed crop. They have the rhinestones through the leg. They are shorter, and then no rhinestones in the back, and they are going to be $29. We also have these new thinner turtlenecks from free assembly. So these fold over once, has that oversized ribbed wrist. This is the small, it is a little relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom. In the gold, also comes in black, and they are going to be $20. New piece in that plaid. I love this plaid. I wound up picking up this dress that I shared, so it'll be in the haul. But this one has the smaller collar, full button up into the waist, the smocking. It's a flowy skirt with the button on the wrist and the seam in the back. In the green plaid, also comes in the black, and these are $32. New peacoats from free assembly. These have that oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons. There is some texture, that's what it looks like up close, and then it's relaxed to the wrist, completely lined with the seam detail in the back. Comes in the navy, the gold buttons, and there's a little bit of navy, and then also the ivory with that same kind of ivory center and the tortoise. It's a side pocket, and they are going to be $49. New color in the sweater dress from free assembly. So this one has that scallop mock neck trim, the bell sleeve. It's relaxed fit, but if you size down, it is going to be more fitted, and then it ties in the back. That's what I did last year. I think I got the extra small. So it comes in the green, also in black, and they're $26. So new mock neck sweater dress from free assembly. So it has that ribbed neckline, the side seam detailing, oversized ribbed wrist. It is a midi length with the same fit through the back. In the black, also comes in green, and these are $26. And then how cute is this top? I love this one with jeans. You could do any other skirts, is gonna look so good. So it's a stretchy, kind of almost, it's not sheer, but it's a lighter weight sweater. It has that higher neckline with the rhinestone trim. This is the large, and then that's the extra small. So I would say it is like more on the relaxed fitted end, and it comes in white Rhinestones are also on the back, and the rhinestones. And they are going to be $22. Also new sweater joggers from Free Assembly. They probably have the matching tops online because I'm not seeing them here yet. But these have that drawstring, the side pocket, true jogger bottom. They also have gold hardware. In the gray, they also have this navy, and it looks like they are $20. And this is a ribbed sweater dress from Scoop, and so it has the square neckline, the bell sleeve, it's fitted with the slit. This is the extra large, there's the extra small. In the olive, also comes in black, and they're $34. Also new mock neck sweater from Free Assembly. So this one's a little similar to the Scoop option. It has that mock neck. This one has the raw hem on the side, and then it has the ribbed wrist, relaxed fit through the front and the back, and these are $24. New sequin dress from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline, it's sleeveless, midi length, and then it zips in the back. They're completely lined, and they're $34. I also saw this one comes in red and like a gold online. The pearls, it's a t-shirt material with the oversized poplin sleeve. Has the little keyhole in the back. These are $16, comes in black, and then also in the white. Also new jumpsuit from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted button, seam detailing at the waist. It's a wide leg, and that seam fit through the back. And they are going to be $44. New coats from Free Assembly. These have that oversized collar, lapel, the double-breasted buttons. It's completely lined on the inside, and then the seam detail on the back. Comes in the navy, also in the ivory, and they're $49. To match back to those little jackets, they have these dresses from Free Assembly. So it has that higher neckline, sleeveless, drop tier, zips in the back. In the navy, also comes in black, and they're $34. Also new v-neck tier dress from Scoop. So these are a nice like tight ribbed material. Has that side seam detailing. I love the tiers all the way down. And then it has the same fit through the back. Comes in black, also in green, and they are $32. From Free Assembly. So this has the smaller collar lapel, has 4 buttons, 2 front pockets, completely lined, relaxed to the wrist, seam in the back. These are $64. And down top from Free Assembly. So this one has the smaller collar, full button detail on the wrist. Is the extra large, but it is more of an oversized fit with the seam in the back, and these are $22. Right next to that new drop tier dress from Scoop. So this one has that higher neckline. It's like a jacquard material. Has that drop tier with the tie in the back. And these are going to be $34. Also in the velvet is this dress from Scoop. This has that higher neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, has a little ruching on the side. This one is $28. It has the same fit through the back with the seam detailing. Also has a zipper. Is this coat from Scoop. So this has that top buckle, zip, the side pocket, relax through the wrist, and then the same kind of fit through the back. This one's gonna be $50. It's from Scoop. Has that mock neckline, ribbed wrist, the raw hem at the bottom, in the peach, black, and purple, and these are $28. It has that crew neckline, has the short sleeve sweater, which I saw, I think maybe Vogue somewhere I read that this is a trend right now. Cable knit, the ribbed sleeve, and then it's not cable knit through the back, in the ivory, also in the navy. So I guess if you're in cooler climate, you can layer it, and these are $22. Also with the Sherpa trim are these coats from Scoop. So they have that oversized collar, the side zip with the same kind of trim all on the inside. The whole lining has the side pocket, the little relaxed wrist with the trim at the bottom. We saw this one in another color, and they are going to be $54. The dress from Scoop. This one has that plunging V neckline, elastic and smocky on the wrist. Also through the body, it's flowy through the front and the back. In the black floral, also comes in the solid black, and they're $40. New tulle skirt from Scoop. So this one has the elastic waist, the drop tier, nice and flowy. How adorable is this? Same kind of fit through the back. This top from Free Assembly has the smaller collar, button has the pearls with the rhinestones, the little shoulder detail with the button on the wrist. A little bit of a scoop in the back with the seam. Comes in the pink and white stripe, also the solid white, and they're going to be $26. New style of blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar lapel. It is completely lined. It's like a thicker material. It's what it looks like up close. Relaxed through the wrist. And then the same detail. Very similar to the blue, but the blue has the trim. This one doesn't. So the collar is a little smaller. This one's $39. New rib tops from Free Assembly. They have that higher neckline, the little shoulder detail, fitted through the wrist, also in the body. In the fuchsia, also comes in black, and they're $14. New puffer jacket from Free Assembly. This one has a mid-size collar, zip. I love this plaid print. Has a little bit of a drop sleeve, relaxed through the wrist, snap pockets with the toggle. It's lined on the inside, and then the seam detailing in the back. And these are going to be $45. How cute are these no coats from Free Assembly? So it has a Sherpa oversized collar, zip, quilted, and this corduroy material has the snap pockets, relaxed through the wrist, really nice length, and they're $45. Is this one from Free Assembly? It has the crew neckline, oversized balloon sleeve. It's a poplin material. Now we're seeing it in the red. We also saw it in this plaid, and they're going to be $24. New sweater from Scoop. So this one has the higher neckline, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, also the ribbed bottom with the seam going down. Really nice length, and this gold also comes in the black, and they are going to be $28, and they're $26. Also new corduroy pants from Free Assembly. So these have a tortoise button side pocket. It's a relaxed leg with pockets on the back. In the ivory, also comes in black, and they are going to be $29. New sneak peek dresses from Scoop. These have that high neckline. It's sleeveless, shorter fit, zips in the back, and they're $34. Also new floral sweaters from Free Assembly. They have that ribbed neckline, this little floral detail, the drop sleeve. You can see there's some gathering, ribbed wrist with that balloon style sleeve, and then also the ribbed bottom, and then it is a boxy kind of fit through the back. Comes in the gray, also in the ivory, and they're $26. And then I'm gonna pair it with this vest from Scoop. So this one's a nice like flowy material, has the buttons, it's completely lined, that same fit through the back, and they are $24. And then part of the Ladylike trend are these cardigans from Free Assembly. It has the scallop trim, oversized buttons. This one's $26. New balloon sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline. It has the gathering. It's a poplin material with the elastic belt, and then it's flowy with pockets. Ties in the back. Also has the smocking to pull it in with a zipper in the red. Also comes in black, and they're $36. New velvet blazers from Free Assembly. So these have a smaller collar, lapel, the one button, this little slotted pocket, relaxed through the wrist, completely lined, and then good length through the back with the seam detail. These are going to be $39. And then also new from Free Assembly is this little like twist poplin. So it also has the puff sleeve, flowy tiers all the way down through the front and the back, and these are $36. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that rib neckline, the gold buttons, the two front pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the ribbing. It's a shorter fit but relaxed. This is the medium. In the red, I'm also now seeing it in the black, and these are going to be $28. New flutter sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has that ruffled neckline, the ruffled trim. It's a dolman sleeve, buttons up into the waist with the elastic. It's a flowy fit with a drop tiered skirt, and then the same fit through the bottom. In the green plaid with a little hint of pink. They also have solid black, and they are going to be $34. Also new skirt from Scoop. This one has that elastic waistband, trumpet style. It's a like charcoal, and they are $28. New mock neck sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline, the side seam detailing, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Now in the gray and black. We saw it in that navy print in the shopping for outfits. and they're $24. So we showed them in the black in the last video. Now they have it in this animal print. Has the rounded collar. It has a full zip, relaxed fit, completely lined, and then also relaxed through the wrist. Same kind of fit through the back. And they are going to be $49. Also new oversized blazer from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar with the lapel fabric covered button, 2 slotted pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the fabric covered button, and then the seam in the back. Comes in the ivory, also in black. The quality on these is really nice, and they're $38. New boat neck long sleeve tee from Free Assembly. So this has that higher neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, relaxed to the wrist, also in the body, in the burgundy with the purple, also black with the white stripe, and solid black, and they're $14. Pairing it with this blazer from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar lapel. It's completely lined on the inside, relaxed to the wrist with the button detail, and then it has the seam detailing in the back. These are $38. Next look, I'm going to go with my favorite chap sweaters. These are in the men's section. I have this in the size small. It's still going to be like a relaxed fit, but they're so nice for the price. Very comparable to the Ralph Lauren sweaters. So they have that crew neckline, embroidered stars. They actually made this blue a lot nicer. The one I have has like more of a brighter blue. And then the logo in the blue also comes in the gray. These are $25 or another $20. New crew neck sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that crew neckline, the ribbing. It's ribbed at the bottom. These are nice, soft, and stretchy. And they are going to be $18. Also new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this is a full button. It's A-line. It is shorter with the seam detail. This one's going to be so cute with boots. And they are. Next look, I'm going with the fold over sweater from Free Assembly. So this has a side button, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Comes in the green, also in the navy. I think I'm gonna do the navy, and they're $26. Also new vest from Scoop. So these have that open front, completely lined. It does have a hook and eye closure. This is the extra large, that's the small. So it is an oversized fit through the front, also in the back. And these are going to be $48. New shorter skirt from Scoop. It's not too short. I would say like really close to the knee. So it has this side zip, the one little pleating, same kind of fit through the back. This matches back to the blazer, and they're $24. Also seeing a new color in the sequin skirt from Scoop. So it has the seam detailing at the top, full sequin with the zip in the back. We also saw this in black. Here it is. And they're $28. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.